In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease text size on the screen of your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first get into settings, and now here scroll down for a bit and tap on display and brightness. Now here hit add text size, and there you can move that slider to right to increase your text size or left to decrease its size. This action changes text on all your device, including all menus, so you can increase text size, then go back, and now as you see this action change size in all your menus. Now you can go back and decrease it for a bit if you want. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.